What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video we're going to be going over how to make boom-bap drums, and yeah, I'm just going to go over the process that I use to make good boom-bap drums. So I think one of the first things to remember is that sound selection is extremely important, probably the most important part of this. So we're gonna go and find the right drums to use here. I have a boom-bap sound kit right here, Ultimate Boom-bap sound kit, and it's free. I'm guessing you can find a free download of it online. I will try to post a link in the description, and then you guys can download it as well. So we're going to find a good kick. There you go. And now for my hi-hat, I'm gonna grab this hi-hat from the Aftermath sound kit, which is also free, and I'll also post a link to that in the description. And I'm gonna grab a snare from the boom-bap pack. I lost it here. Oh yeah. There you go. Alright, now a good BPM for boom-bap is usually around 90 BPM, anywhere from 70 to 100 BPM is good. And then for trap beats, you'll probably go 100 and over. And then those are the only two genres I really know. But yeah, so boom bap is usually a slower BPM. So alright, let's Now one thing I sometimes do for my hi-hats is to add a bit of a bouncy kind of feel to it. I'll clone it and I'll turn the volume down on one of them, and then I'll go fill each 4 steps and do the same here, but then I'll move this one up here, so now on the off beat this one's going to be higher. Or sometimes you want it the other way around. And one thing for boom bap that's quite important is to turn up the swing a little bit. Not too much, but just enough. You can notice when I turn it up too high, then that boom 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 sounds weird. almost a little off beat, so I'll turn it down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to cut the tail end of that kick drum. Alright, so that's basically it for simple boom bap drums. The nice thing about boom bap that I like is that it's generally very simple, a very simple beat, but you can be really creative with it and do all kinds of things. But this is sort of the style. You want to have the swing up a little bit. You want to have a simple drum pattern, kick pattern. You want to add this kind of hi-hat effect where it's like one is louder than the other. And then a very simple snare, usually just hits on every 1, 2, second and 4 beats, I believe. Yeah, first and four, or second and fourth beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. If you have any requests for next video, leave those in the comments also. I would love to hear what you guys want to see. And yeah, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.